Yo, what's up, everybody? Long time no see. This is your friend Will. Today, I'm going to show you how to spend a little money to get a brand new G63. As you know, the brand new G63 MSRP goes like around 180,000 US dollar to 200,000 US dollar. Some limited edition goes up 250,000 US dollar. It's so crazy, right? Like, I'm not going to spend that money for a G-Wagon, even though I really like it. But today, I'm going to show you how to spend 25,000 US dollar to get a brand new G63. It's not joking. Only need 2 steps. Let's go. How we gonna do this? First step, get ready of your cash. 25,000 US dollar. Get ready of it. That's the first step. Second step, get ready of any years of an old car. Around 2002 to 2018, as long as an old G-Wagon, we can make it happen. Step 3, use Veektuning modification body kits. Just leave your G-Wagon with our professional team, and we will promise you with 15 days upgrade your car as brand new style. I know this might be blow your mind how this happen, but this is real. We will bring this come to truth. So we invite you come witness with us how to modify this car to brand new G-Wagon, and we also invite you to join our incredible transformation journey. Let's go!
Easy, baby. Easy, baby. Easy, baby. Easy, baby.
Yo, time flies. 15 days have already passed, and I know you are just exactly same as I am, too excited about what's this car gonna be like. And right now, let's check it out. What we have transformed, it's gonna be it like. Here we go with it. And also, this is also 2010 engine V8. Look at it. Yo, bro, what is the most easiest way to define 550 or G63? Here's the most easiest way is to check the grille. If the vertical grille, that's G63. If horizontal grille, that's G550. Actually, I like this grille so much because it looks more aggressive. I like aggressive, and also if you pay attention to all these details, these are all smoke black logos and the grille are all black. Even the 8 lights are all smoked. These smoked lights are optional choice, either G63 or 550. That's night edition, but we all make it standard for free. That's what we can do. And check out the lights. It's digital light, and the corner light is also smoked new style corner light. As we know, G-Class is a beast in the off-road world. This car is already being fitted with off-road tires, but original wheels just didn't quite match the vibe. So I went ahead and slapped 22 inches wheels. Looks better. I like these wheels. What do you think? Okay, so right now I'm going to introduce to you what we have modified in our kit. For our body kit, it includes the hood, grille, fender, all the lights, bumper, and the belt, and the rear bumper, all the lights. For this body kit details, we can see we cancel the vent over here, and it just looks like same as the new model. And for our build, I cannot say it's 100% similar with the brand new G-Wagon. It do looks better than the old one. For our body kit, it's no damage. Otherwise, we can do the exactly same as the new model, but we need to cut and welding, so it will damage your car a little bit. It depends on you if you would like to do it. We also have straight plus glasses over here, same as the new model. Without straight glasses, looks much better. What do you think? We changed the front windshield, rear windshield, and 2 side glasses. From our back, we also changed the straight plus glasses, and also we make the same as new model high brake lights. The original brake light is inside of the glasses, and over here is a camera over here. So we remove the camera and cut a little bit to put our high brake light, and we remove the camera down over here. So basically this is what we got over here. What do you think of our body kit? So this is what we have done in these 15 days. If you are interested about our body kits, we will have the link below our video, and welcome to our website. And also, in our next video, I will share with our bros how we're gonna modify our interior parts. Are you getting excited? Don't forget to subscribe us and keep following us. Don't miss to hit like, and that's it. Goodbye, guys. See you next video.